Good day, everyone. In this video, you're going to learn how to convert an Excel spreadsheet into an Access database. This was covered before, but I'm going to give you a quick review on how to do that process. All right, the first step we need to do is to open a blank database, and we'll do that by going to Start, Access, click on Blank Database, and come over to Name the File. Where it says File Name, we're going to call this Used Car Lot Database, because we're going to do the database for used car lot. Now, you'll need to save that in a place where you know you can find it again. So in the File folder, the Browse File folder, click on that. And when it opens up, I'm going to save mine on my desktop in a file folder called Access Assignment. You can save yours wherever you want. Just remember where you saved it, because you'll need to find it again later. I'll click Open, and open the folder, and now I'm going to click OK, and I've saved it. Now I'm going to come over and click on the Create button. Now, when your database opens, it's very important that you make sure the first thing you do is come over and make sure it says All Accessed Objects. I'm going to click on the down arrow right here, and I'm going to show you, make sure that you have two check marks. One is Object Type, has to be checked, and the other is All Object Types. If you don't do that, you'll create some charts and things like that and tables, and they'll disappear on you and you wonder where they went. So make sure you have all access objects checked off like that. Okay, now let's first, in order to create this database by copying from a Excel spreadsheet, let's go and get the Excel spreadsheet first. We have to click on the tab that says External Data in the upper left-hand corner. Once there, it says Import and Link. So where it says Excel, and there's a little arrow pointing to a database, we're going to convert the Excel document into a database. So click on that button. Now, when it comes up, you need to locate the Excel file. And I'm going to click the Browse button, and I'm going to locate the Excel file. I have to save that in this Access Assignment file folder, and here it is, a new Access Assignment. I'm just going to open that up, and there it is. Now, the Import button should be checked, the others aren't. Click OK. The next thing I see, it says how many worksheets do I want to show, and I want to show sheet 1 only, and it's already selected, so I'll click Next. Now this is very important. Our Excel spreadsheet has column names in the first row. It has a lot number, year, make, model, style, and so forth. That is the name of the columns. And if that first row has headings, you have to make sure that that check mark is there. It is there, so I'm going to click Next. Now, this next option we don't have to do anything with. It's simply showing us the first field is the lot number, and it's okay. We'll just accept that. Click the button that says Next. Now, this is an essential thing that you understand. This option is asking you, do you want to let Access add a primary key, or do you want to choose your own? Now, right now, Access has chosen the ID number as the primary field. Now, you have to remember what a primary field is. The primary field is the one field that must always be different. No other field can contain the same data. For example, the year. You can have the same year of cars, no problem. You make, you can have Ford, Chevy, and appearing many times. Styles and so forth, mileage, those things could be the same. But in Access, each record must be absolutely unique. And what we're going to use is the lot number of the vehicle, because that's unique to every single car. So I'm going to click the button that says Choose My Own Primary Key. And it says lot number. That's correct, so I'll click Next. Now it says Import a Table. Now you're going to name the table. Now I'm going to name this table my Used Car Lot Inventory. There we go. Now I will now click the Finish button, and it asks me if I want to save those steps, and the answer is no, so I'll just click the Close button, and there we are. Our used car lot inventory has been copied into Access. First thing, let's click on Table 1 and press Delete. You can't delete it while it's open. Okay, let's close Table 1. There we are, and delete it, because the only one I want here is this one. Okay, so let's double click and open the used car lot inventory, and there it is. Can you imagine typing out by hand every single piece of data in there? That would be a real pain. So we're in good shape by using the copy method to copy the Excel file into an Access database. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to close out of this, and that completes the demonstration on how to convert an Excel spreadsheet, as you see here, into an Access database with only a few mouse clicks. Thank you very much.